Alright, y'all. Let's see. This video is gonna be a really short one because I really ain't got that much time left because I gotta go do some stuff. Ouch. Why? Okay. Let's just go. Come on, let's just go. We gotta make this quick. The reason I'm not sprinting is because I want to actually enjoy the game. Yeah, okay, gotta turn around. Okay, okay, dokie. Let's walk through here. Oh, that's a good dog painting. I just don't care for it.
I will end you.
Alright, let's walk through here. I'm scared that the Doge might just bust through a door and kill me right there. Wait, no. Okay, nope. Okay, come on. Oh! God dang it, man! I hate this. I really hate it. Watch me walk through this door. He's right there! You know what? This video's done. This video's over.